In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get funded up to 200K to start trading crypto. Now, this is for you if you already know how to trade, but you don't have the funds to trade. This is for you if you are already trading and you need more capital. If you feel that, oh, trading capital is your issue, you can actually turn your 1K, your 1,500 to 200K, and you have bigger leverage or bigger capital rather to start trading the market. This is not for complete beginners. The Hero Trader or the crypto trading profile platform is not for those who want to learn how to trade. It is only for those who are already trading. If you have a strategy that works for you, then you need a bigger capital that can actually keep you afloat in the market. So what you want to do is you need to use the link in the video description. The link will equally be on my Telegram. I post it very often. And if you need more help, I've actually created a step-by-step video that walks through about everything you need to know about Hero Trader. There's a playlist on my YouTube channel that is called 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗵𝗵𝗴. So here I talk about everything about Hero Trader. I've tried other profile, but this is the one that works for me. And why I use this is because they are linked to Bybit. So every pair that is supported on Bybit, and since I'm used to using Bybit, it is all done. You trade on your Bybit account, and voila, at the end of the month, you can request for withdrawals. Withdrawals can be requested anytime. Minimum withdrawal is $100. So once you have up to 100, you can request for withdrawals. So to go about getting funded, if you click on the link, it brings you to this page. All you just need, where it say crypto trading, crypto proof trading firm, you click on it, click on the get started option. Now, once you come in here, where it's a challenge type, you see that there is one step and then there is two steps. So there are two phases of evaluation, like, or would I say two stages of evaluation. So if you want the one step means you just need to do 10%. All right. Once you take a trade, or once you trade for a week or days or thereabout, if you do up to 10%, you get funded immediately. But the difference here is that here your overall drawdown with the one step, your overall drawdown is 6%. And then we have the two step. The two step of evaluation will mean you do 10% the first phase and then 5% the second phase. And here your overall drawdown is 10%. So that's just the difference, right? Why on the step, well, one step you have overall drawdown of 6%. Here you have overall drawdown of 10%. And then another difference is that here it is expensive, right? So if I want to get a 200K account, it will cost me about 1,400. And here, if I want to get that same 100K or 200K account, it will cost me around 999, right? So any of this one you prefer, go ahead with it. If you want the one step, go ahead, you do 10% and you get funded. If you want the two step, go ahead, you do 15% and you get funded. So you can select if it is 100K. I'm currently trading the 100K account, and I want to see the progress so far before I actually start looking for a 200K account. Once you select the option that best suits you, go ahead and click on the start challenge option, and you can actually pay with your card and you can pay with crypto as well. I always pay with crypto, and whatever you feel that works for you, you can go ahead and try that. So once you select the option that you want, all you need to do is to add your email, put in your name, your phone, select your country, right? And you can decide to pay with your card. Okay, you can equally pay with your Apple Pay or your Google Pay, or you can pay with crypto. This is the option that I choose. Once you fill in this information, just proceed and copy the USDT address they are sending to you. Send the equivalent, the crypto, okay, the worth of the crypto that you are asked to. And with the code that I've shared with you in the link, you get 5% discount on any of these that you purchase. Then you go ahead and confirm, and that is it. Now, if you get an account, if you want us to trade together, I'm creating a community for pro firm traders for crypto. So if you want to be part of that, get an account, reach out to me on Telegram, and I'll add you up to that community. We'll be trading together, sharing ideas together. I'll be guiding you in order not to fail the account. So we're going to do this together. We'll be having live sections too to trade together to see how we can help you pass your account and continually trade that account to make profit consistently. That is it for this video, guys. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that whenever I publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And If you're not on our Telegram channel, the link will be on my bio or in the video description. I'll see you guys in my next video.